In this activity, we will demonstrate how low pressure can suck water into the bottle. For this activity, we need boiling water, bottle, and cold colored water. Take the boiling water and fill this bottle half its capacity. Shake it a little bit and pour the water out. Place the bottle upside down in this cold water. After some time, we observe that water starts rising in the bottle. Why does this happen? When the boiling hot water was poured into the bottle, the steam pushed some of the air out. At the same time, the air above the water surface was heated and hence got expanded. This also pushed some of the air out, and the amount of air inside the bottle reduced. When we put this bottle upside down in cold water, the steam condensed to water and the air cooled and contracted. This led to lowering of air pressure inside the bottle. As the air pressure outside the bottle is much higher, this outside air pressure pushes the water into the bottle.